Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you never miss quick tech tips like this. Today, I'll show you how to connect your Outlook calendar to Calendly so you can manage all your meetings in one place and avoid double bookings. First, log into your Calendly account. On the left menu, click Integrations and Apps. From the list of available integrations, find Outlook and click it. Then select Connect Outlook Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the correct Outlook account you want to link. If you use multiple accounts, double check before moving forward. You will be redirected to Microsoft's sign-in page. Enter your Outlook email and password and grant Calendly permission to access your calendar. Once the connection is complete, you will be sent back to Calendly. From now on, any events booked through Calendly will automatically sync with Outlook, and any Outlook events will block your availability in Calendly. And that's it. You've just linked Outlook with Calendly for seamless, hassle-free scheduling. If this was helpful, like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick guides.